Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to talk about how to crack AZ-900 Azure Fundamental exam within a week. So first we'll check like which kind of topic we need to learn and from where. So there are three topics in AZ-900 Fundamental. First is Microsoft Azure Fundamental, where describe cloud concept, and second thing is describe Azure architecture and services. Third, describe Azure management and governance. Three, three topics you need to learn from MSDM Microsoft.com, where you will learn, and after that try to give practice exam. So if you are not comfortable after if you learn from MSTN and you are not okay with to give the exam, I'll give you two recommendation, two YouTube channel where you will learn, definitely you will crack exam from where. So first one is Mark Jack YouTube channel, where you need to learn AZ-900 fundamental. Second is, I will put YouTube link in description, where 12 hours video is there, where more than 800 questions will be there, so you can learn each question in different way. Like suppose if you are giving the exam, it will be not a simple, it will be tricky. Okay, so how you will understand a single point in a different scenario, so that YouTube channel will guide you. Definitely you will learn from there and you will crack the exam. Few things I want to explain for exam, while giving the exam actually. So first, you don't wear any jacket. Okay, second thing, you need to be in a room where very noiseless room, no one come inside. When you are giving the exam, your mobile phone will be away from your sitting position. Okay, don't wear specs, don't use headphone. These kind of things you need to do at the time of giving the exam. And also you need to upload your any identity which is provided by the government, which is valid. So like driving license, Aadhaar card, or passport. These kind of things you need to upload, your selfie need to upload, and then where you are sitting, from different angle, four pictures you need to upload via mobile. And when this kind of check-in completed, then you need to put your phone away from your sitting position. Okay, and one will be the mentor who will be live watching your video while giving the exam. So don't think like I'm very intelligent, I can do cheating. So don't even think about the cheating and all. Okay, prepare yourself. I'm 100% sure you will give the exam and you will definitely crack that exam, AZ-900, within a week. But first you need to learn from MSDN, then Mark Jack YouTube channel video, and then 12 hours another video will put in the description. Three kind of things you need to learn continuously. Don't put any gap. Definitely will crack it. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe, because this is my experience. Recently, I cracked this exam, AZ-900. Please share and like the video. Thank you.